Welcome to the Q On Demand podcast, your source for expert tips from the authors of the Q On Demand series. For more information on the topics covered in this podcast series and for bonus online content, visit qondemand.com/podcast, home of the visual, color, step-by-step reference guides for all your CS4 learning and more.
Hi, I'm Steve Johnson. Welcome to another edition of Q On Demand podcast. Today we're going to be talking about live view and live code view in Dreamweaver CS4. Live view is a new feature in Dreamweaver CS4. In the past, in order to be able to preview your page as you would see it in a browser, you would have to go to the File menu, go down to Preview in Browser, and then select the browser that you wanted. And then your browser would open up, and then you would actually get to see how your pages would look. That could become time consuming. So what they did at Adobe is they inserted what's called Live View. So right on the top of the screen, you can click a button called Live View. And when you do, you can see what your page is going to look like in your browser. So it's very quick to be able to check your work as you go, because Live View is right there. Now, right next to the Live View button, there is a drop-down button. And when you click that, you can actually disable some options that you have available. One is if you have JavaScript, which is a language that you can add external features to your web pages. You can freeze JavaScript. You can disable it if you like. If you have any plugins with any other external programming code, you can disable that as well. So within this mode of live view, you can actually have a lot of control over what you see in your screen. So let's say you have some JavaScript and you don't have the software on your machine, you can disable it so it won't cause problems. Next to the live view button is what's called live code view. When you click live code view, you can see your code as it would be executed on your page. So in this case, you'll notice when I click Live Code View, it highlights, showing you that you're in Live Code View, and then you can actually see what your page is going to be previewed like. So you can say, I can now execute my code with Live Code View and see exactly what's happening. So Live Code View is only available when you're in Live View. So when you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on it. To exit from that, you can go ahead and click on Live View in order to exit from that. And then you can go back to Design View and get back to your original page. So Live View and Live Code View are great tools that you can use to save some time and to be able to preview your work instead of actually previewing it in a browser, which takes a little more time. So use those tools, you'll enjoy them.
For more information and bonus online content, visit qondemand.com/podcast, home of the visual, color, step-by-step reference guides for all your CS4 learning and lots more. qondemand.com/podcast.